I'm undoing what fear built. I know fear has been working quietly, not just in your thoughts, but in the way you've been living. It convinced you to stay small, to expect disappointment, to question every good thing, to prepare for pain before it ever arrived. Little by little, fear built walls around your heart, and after a while, you forgot what freedom felt like. Child, I never created you to live inside a prison built by fear. God says fear promised to protect you, but instead, it stole your peace. It stole your joy. It made you believe that avoiding risk was the same as living wisely. But wisdom walks with me. Fear walks away from possibility. I've been gently taking apart every lie fear has built. The lie that you're not enough. The lie that nothing will ever change. The lie that your best days are behind you. The lie that you'll always carry this weight. None of those words came from me. My voice doesn't imprison. It sets people free. Where fear says, stay where it's safe, I say, walk with me. Where fear says, you'll fail again, I say, my grace will be enough. Where fear says, it's too late, I say, I'm making all things new. God says, I know healing doesn't happen overnight. A wall built over many years is often removed one brick at a time. And that's exactly what I've been doing. Every prayer you've prayed, every moment you chose faith instead of panic, another brick came down. You may not have noticed it, but I have. Don't judge your progress by what still frightens you. Look at how much stronger you've become. Look at the peace that now returns more quickly. That is my work within you. God says fear built a future filled with what if. I'm building one filled with even if. Even if the road is uncertain, I am with you. Even if the answer takes time, I am faithful. Even if the storm continues, my peace remains. Stop rebuilding the walls I'm tearing down. Don't return to the prison I've already opened. Walk forward. Trust deeper. Breathe easier. Because you are no longer who fear said you were. You belong to me. One day you'll look back and realize fear no longer had the final word. My love did. My truth did. My grace did. So release what fear built. Receive what I'm building. Because what I'm creating in your life will be stronger than anything fear ever destroyed. If you're choosing God's peace over fear today, type "Fear has no place here" in the comments. If this message encouraged you to trust God's peace instead of fear, consider sending a super thanks. Your support helps us continue creating faith-filled messages that remind people God's love is stronger than fear. Thank you for helping us share His hope and encouragement with hearts around the world. May God richly bless you.